Hi there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick, simple meal. It's called stuffed kielbasa. I have a few different stuffed sausage recipes that I will do later, which are a little bit more involved. But today it's all about doing it simple. And I'm going to show you with 4 to 5 ingredients how to make a super simple meal that's easy to prepare, that's easy to cook, and super delicious to eat. All right, I'll bring it down below and I will show you the few ingredients that we'll be working with. Okay everybody, here's all we're going to be working with. We got some pre-cooked kielbasa. We have some shredded cheese. We have Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 block. I have some diced up bell peppers and some diced up jalapenos. If you don't want to do hot, you don't have to do the jalapenos. All right, let's get putting this together. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put in our cream cheese. And we're going to add our diced up bell peppers. And then we're going to add some shredded cheese. All right, we'll see if that's enough. Now let's just get it mixed up. Okay, when it looks like that, you're ready to cut your sausages up. Okay, the idea out of each of these sausages is to get 2 complete sausages. So we're going to square up the ends. So we got some straight sausages, and then we're going to get them split down the middle and put that cream cheese filling on the inside. All right, let's cut off the ends first. Well, that'll be for the dog. And square that one, square that one, and we'll cook these up too. Next one, cut off the ends. There's another one. And there we go. Now we got 4 sausages. All right, let me get these pieces cleaned up and I'll be right back. Okay, here comes the tricky part. Let's get these out of the way. You're going to take your sausage and we're going to slit it down the middle, but not go all the way down to the bottom. So we can open them up like that. Do the next one. Just like that. Okay, we got all our sausages cut. Let's get the cream cheese filling in there. Okay, it's time to stuff the kielbasa. We'll take our little bit of mixture here. Push it down inside the sausage. All right, you do it just like that. I'll do the other 3 and I will bring you back. Okay, we got them all stuffed. Here is the optional part. This is the hot you can add. You can leave it out if you don't like hot. We got our diced up jalapenos we're going to put on top before we put the cheese on. Okay, now let's put the cheese on. I don't want them to look good. All right, let's get them on. All right, I'll come back in 30 minutes and we'll give them a check. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh, those are coming along good. Look at that cream cheese bubbling. Oh, those are looking super delicious. Oh, I can't wait to dive into one of these. And we got our little cut-off pieces there for a snack. But all in all, this stuff is coming out real good. These are cooking up nicely. All right, I'm gonna give them about 10 or 15 more minutes. Hopefully they'll be done by then, and I will bring you back then. I'll tell you what, ever since I've gotten this Z Grills, I've been highly impressed with it. I do have a Traeger pellet grill. I do have a Monument Grills pellet grill. But all in all, after using both of the other two, this Z Grills really holds a temp. Look at that, I've got it set at 375. Yeah, it will fluctuate up and down a little bit. But for the most part, the temperature is holding dead on at 375. You can't ask for anything more than that. I am really impressed with the Z Grills. If you're interested in getting a pellet grill, I would highly suggest the Z Grills is the one to get. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and crank this up to high, and let's get these sausages finished up. All right, I'll bring you back when they're all done. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes. Let's see how these are looking. Oh yeah, I would say these sausages are done. They look incredible. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get these pulled off. Okay, everybody, we got our stuffed kielbasa. Let's give it a taste test. Oh, that looks pretty good. I say it came out great. I bet it's going to taste even better. That cream cheese, the peppers, a little bit of heat from the jalapeno. This is a cheap and easy meal to make, and so delicious. Oh, so flavorful. Okay, you know I like my sauces, so I got some sweet chili sauce here. Let's try it with that. My girlfriend's in there, she doused hers with it. She loves sweet chili sauce. All right, let's take a taste. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Look at that dripping off of there. That's pretty damn good. Oh, fantastic. All right, everybody, if you want a cheap and easy meal to make, this is the one for you, stuffed kielbasa. And let me remind you, you do not have to do this in a smoker. If you have a smoker, that's fine. If you don't have a smoker, you can very well do this in the oven. All right, I thank everybody for watching this video. If you're new here and you like what I do, please consider subscribing. I do have some more stuffed sausage videos coming. and you don't want to miss out on that, so ring the bell to be notified. And to all my regular subscribers, I really do appreciate you guys. You have no idea how much I appreciate you watching my videos and supporting my channel. And as I always say, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Stop making boring food. That's all there is to it. You can do it. Enjoy food. Don't make the same old, same old. All right, take care, everybody, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.